Okay guys, so I got called out to this car lot for this, what is it, a 2015 Mazda 3. And I like how it lost the M right there. But the issue is, if you look at this, anti-lock brakes, it sets this voltage code, deflation code, and then all the modules. See, EPS has lost communication with ABS. There's a vehicle speed code, which I have a feeling the ABS might send that. Instrument cluster lost communication with ABS. PCM lost communication with ABS. RCM says vehicle speed. Start stop unit lost communication with ABS. TCM. So all these modules lost communication with it. So I'm going to look up these codes right here and print out a diagram, and we're going to go from there. Oh, and I should add, we can communicate with it with the scan tool. So, and this car was hitting the front end. So I can get out a wiring diagram, and that's where we're going to go from there. So guys, I load tested the powers on here, and I decided to load test the ground. So it's that heavy ground wire. So I put 2 piercing probes in it, got my headlight bulbs. Watch this. So I connect one headlight bulb. Let's see. Connect it to the battery. Look how bright that is. Now I'll connect the second one. Watch this. Look at that. Look at how dim that goes. And we're on 5 amps each. See that? So now watch this. So I'll connect this. And on this diagram, like if you look, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but it says right here, ground, right headlight. So like I load tested all these, they were good. So then I came down here. See if I can show you guys this. Right here is the ground. See, it's loose. You can hear it. Like I'm wiggling it side to side. Look at our headlight bulb. Now look how bright they are. You see if I wiggle this? Look at that, bad ground. Isn't that crazy? Just by wiggling this, like this. See the headlight go bright and dim, bright. Look at the test light. Test light goes out. The bulbs are consuming it all. Crazy. There you go, guys. That's going to be your fix for your no-com. Because he also told me that it happens while you're going down the road. Crazy. So here you guys go. Doing a full system scan. We got a new bolt. They had the wrong bolt in there. So we just got this deflation detection system code. I'll look up to see what that is. But now we got communication. I'm going to have them drive it. And if it doesn't come back, I'll let you know. Actually, I'll make a video if it comes back, but if it's in, then this is a fix. See you guys later. Okay guys, so this deflation detection system, that's for the TPMS. So there we go. See you later.